Welcome! If you've ever scrolled through Facebook on your PC and wondered how to mark a certain page's post as not interested, especially after a recent update, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through the simplest way to keep your feed tailored to what you actually want to see. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is open your Facebook app on your PC. If you're using a web browser, just head to Facebook as you normally would and log in to your account. Now that you're logged in, start scrolling through your feed until you spot a post from a page that you want to mark as not interested. Maybe the content isn't relevant anymore, or you simply want to see less of it. No worries, this process is quick. Hover your mouse over the top right corner of that post. You should see 3 little dots, sometimes called the More Options icon. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. A small list of options will pop up on your screen. Look for the option that says Not Interested. It might be toward the bottom of the list, depending on your Facebook version and updates, but it'll be there. Click on Not Interested. Once you do this, Facebook will register your preference and start showing you fewer posts like that from the page on your feed. It's a simple click, but it can make a real difference in personalizing your Facebook experience. Remember, you can always repeat this process anytime you come across a page post that just doesn't suit your interests. This feature gives you more control over what you see every day, so your feed stays relevant and enjoyable. Thanks for watching.